is up, guys? Welcome back. So I just picked up this 2002 Suzuki Ozark quad runner. It runs, but it needs a lot of cosmetical work. It's missing a bunch of stuff, really dirty. This was a cattle rancher's quad, so it smells just like a cow, which is not too pleasing of a smell. Has a ton of hay right here that I don't even want to touch. But guys, let's bring this thing back to life so it's in good shape as it's supposed to be and not all abandoned and dirty. So let's get to it. So guys, this is a 250cc and it does run and drive. Alrighty guys, so I got it all washed up. Took about 40 minutes. This quad probably lost about 20 pounds of dirt and everything because I don't think it's been washed in about 10 years. And these plastics under here are destroyed. All of them. So I want to restore these plastics. Also, it's missing a bunch of clips everywhere. Up in the front right here, it's all missing. So let's restore these plastics. Okay guys, so I have all the plastics pretty much off. Just take this one off, this comes up and it slides back and it comes out. But I actually don't have my yellow paint yet, so I'm not going to take this off because I'm not going to be painting it. So, but for now, let's work on these black pieces. Get those all looking like new again. So let's start off with that one. Alrighty guys, so this plastic right here is all ready for paint, so let's paint it. Alrighty guys, so I got the plastics all painted up, they're all dried out. Turned out amazing. Also, while the plastics were drying, I went ahead and washed up the frame right here. It was really dirty. It looks a lot better. Cleaned up the gas tank because it was covered in dirt or whatever. So guys, I guess let's put this quad back together. Alrighty guys, so I can probably say that this thing is pretty much complete. Besides a few bolts, it's complete. And I'm very happy with how this thing turned out. Way better than I thought. And I'm enjoying the quad a lot so far. So guys, I'm very happy with how it turned out. Did not think it was going to turn out this well. It was a very neglected farm quad when I bought it. Had a ton of cow wastings on it everywhere. Smelled horrible. But now, it's something I am proud to own. So if you guys enjoyed this, please leave a like, consider subscribing.